Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for health and wellness business easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know much about coding. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can see templates. Wait a few seconds. So here you can choose one of these. So for example, let's go with health and beauty. So here you can choose the type: online store, membership, and blog, scheduling, courses, and services, wherever you want to choose the type. So that's it. Now let's build. If you want to build your own template, so let's go. So here, add your site name, and let's continue. Now you can build your home page. So here you can choose the section, the intro section. Also you can choose the product section. You can choose the services section. Here you can choose the about section. And also you can change the social section, the form section, and the footer section. So that's it. Now let's continue. Here you can choose the color, the theme color. So let's continue. You can choose the font, and let's finish. Here you can skip or continue. Personalize your homepage text faster than ever. So let's continue. Here you can describe your new site. For example, health and wellness. For example, worthiness, like this. Here you can choose the writing style, professional, and now wait a few seconds. So this is your logo, right? This is your home page website. This is your site name right here. So you can make the desktop view, or you can make it like a mobile view, like this. So I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here you can change the site size. So you can edit here the fonts. You can change the headings, the paragraphs, the buttons. You can reset the font back. So that's it. You can also edit the colors. So for example, let's go with this. You can edit the site title, the navigation links. Here you can change the site width, the site wide. Sorry. So here you can edit the text section, the heading, extra large. You can turn this on. So that's it. You can choose the animations. Here you can edit it. So that's it. You can edit the spacing, and that's it. Now if you wanna edit and design your home page, so for example, uh, first here we have, you can edit the site header, you can change this site title and the logo, you can here add your logo, you can change your site title. So that's it. Here you can edit the elements, you can turn this on, the button, you can edit the border, you can also turn this on, language switch, you can turn this on, card, you can edit the style icon, here you can edit the text. So that's it. You can show zero in cards. I'm gonna turn this off. So that's it. If you wanna remove some sections, just click here and remove it. It will be delete. If you want to move it down or move it up, you can move it from here. If you want to save the section, save it, you can save it from here, you can duplicate it. So that's it. If you want to add some section, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add. For example, I'm gonna add events. So I'm gonna add this. So that's it. So let's move it down. So for example, this you can drag it, this the title, you can put it at any place you want, and also this you can edit it, you can change it. The label, the bottom label, you can also you can change the color of it, or if you wanna change the, you can change the text on it. You can also add the link. So that's it. If you want to add an image on any section, for example, click here and click here, and you can search on it on the free image. So for example, health and wellness. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you want. Related, it might be related to the business, to the health and the wellness business. So you can put it at any place you want. So that's it. You can duplicate it, you can delete if you want, you can edit it, you can add it, text on it. So that's it. Whenever you want to add an image, just you can add it on this. You can delete this and add your own image, your image from your library about health and wellness. So that's it. Now just save this and you can go and publish it, publish your site, and start selling your products or your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site for health and wellness business on Squarespace, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.